Wagwan viewers and subscribers, welcome back to a brand new update. In this one, we have Foota hype a burn out Lissa Hanna because of a picture that she posted to her IG. Plus, we also have Shelly a break silence and a diss up on the spot media, and also Sir P. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, this update is one that you do not want to miss. As always, big up yourself and leave a subscribe if you're new.
And this dirty man Sir P. You walk and fuck everybody in the world. Stop suck your my pussy and come out for my name, cause no police now look for me. No care or reach me say God cover me. God cover me, Sir P. Dirty nasty batty man Sir P. The tubby tell her and your mother big nasty kill this pussy. Go pick out the tubby tell her name that blood cut. Every day no come out me, no police now look for me. Me not in a gang, me not keep no gang and me alone roll. Because me know you don't like me. But no, you don't like me. And look how you fight Vice Cartel, Sir P. And you think you may go dead in a prison. And Cartel was in case and fuck come out and the living best like a it you don't like. You don't fight get a youth. You watch artist name is your tell like pan dirty blood clot, Sir P. Tap fuck your mama. You walk and fuck body like dog, dirty nasty man. One of the idea and the scene to talk up on the blood clot. Don't care walk at people, so people kill you no. Me say God soon cut you down slowly but surely, cause God know the amount of lie wanna tell pan people. And look on a woman like me, wanna try to tarnish every day and bring them name. What for? Dirty Sir P. Me need somebody to tag Sir P in a video and send a video I go give him. Sir P, you cannot come about a person like me. Me live me single life, me not keep company, me not have friend, me not have young. Me have one son are dead, or when I do fuckery and the world knows say never innocent. So what can I do? I'm go use my one son and judge me every day and come for a woman like me. First thing, me not like me be a police. What's the inspector them from down? The one especially inspector, me not love, cause him hate my family, him give my family the most, right? And I won't say much. I just leave vengeance in the hands of God, cause me know me good on and me pray. Sir P gonna look like a F no YouTuber can't eat. You on the spot be that the same no bad mind young youth them. No bad mind. I try no pass fuck no mama in and battle and get a drunk like when come with a bad mind youth them. Look at the youth them church. And you Mr. Sir P. You may come about Sir P. The tubby tell her and your wife big stinking pussy. Why you have the suck, Sir P? You know not about me. You see you fight Vice Cartel, you think you ain't go win. You think your mouth when go make Cartel stay in a jail forever. Dirty nasty Sir P. You see Cartel you come out and make millions. You not try fight Cartel in every way, so you fight me son in every way. The tubby tell her and your mama why you the suck. Sir P, stop fuck your mama, you fuck your blood clot family them. Big batty man, Sir P, go look, walk out on the skill of the income and tell life on the youth and try to set up a youth and the police kill them. No content, if on a YouTube, you Sir P on them. You are on the spot media, and just go on for the media and search. They wanna know about me, no blood thin up on my shoulder. And God see and God know my heart clean. No police now look for me, cause me no involved. Me no traffic gun, me no do crime, me no do nothing. You no judge me every day wrongfully. Every day you wanna judge me on the media and tear me down. Pay lies, lie, Shelly. What for? I wanna eat me for. Me no have gang, me no care gang. Me nah link with no gang. Me live in my own world and my own zone. Every day on a dirty blood clot vlogger can come about me. What for, Sir P? Dirty batty man, Sir P. Cartel money and mad yo. You are the artist the money and mad you know. He's a bad man, batty man. Top fuck your pine and batty wall, Sir P. Come on for my name. Oh no, not Tyler Shelly. I don't know say me nah fear. Me nah fear, you know? Me nah fear. Me still, God still keep me going. God still cover me. God have me back. Cause God know me heart clean. Don't try to tame down in every way you know care. But I leave vengeance in the hands of God. Sir P and dirty batty man and this spot media. All on the time for the media and watch out the youth them when they make them money and then not talk things. The police go kill them. Cause you don't want the youth them to live no life and make no money. Go suck your man.
Yeah man, Shelly at this up Sir P and on the spot media as low life hungry belly. Yeah man, you don't know how Shelly get to work already when she hear her name a call. Yeah man, she go this you up brawling on the media. But now viewers and subscribers, we also have Foota hype a talk about Lissa Hanna. Yeah man, Lissa Hanna made a post to her IG and Foota hype never like it. Yeah man, Foota hype went straight to his live and you don't know how Foota hype get to work.
Miss Lissa Hanna, First, I want to compliment you for your age. Them say you're 50 and you have the body of a 24-year-old. Amazing body. You look good. You look nice. Let me see you in a real life, and you look just as good as how you look from picture and video. I see you one time up at Sonia's restaurant, and I said, no, Lissa look good in a real life. I don't even feel draw feed. I said, Chuck, out of respect, don't do that. I think as for the day, the man in there to get breakfast. Saying that to say this, really look up to you, Zine, and think you're a statement piece for Jamaican females in the public space. You understand? Now, you do some things nowadays I don't really like. You do some things I don't like, Lissa. Zin, yes, you look good. Yes, you have a banging body. Yes, you're hot. But don't lose yourself. Don't lose yourself, Lissa Hanna. And don't make we lose respect for you. Because we have respect for you, you know. We really rate you, you know. Even in politics. If I you did run against Andrew, him lose. Instant. But me not like how you have the family. I don't know if you got through a mental breakdown or some emotional trauma or something where you feel like you need to come out and show up yourself in a certain way. Certain man right, you know, and certain man are used to hot girl with hot girl body and them something there. So them are gonna gas you up. Zine, them are gonna gas you up, and every man on here, every man would like have sex with you. So you're gonna read your comment section and say, yeah, you feel good about yourself. But actually, I think you're kind of degrading yourself. You know? It's my opinion still. It's not a business with the rest of the world, I say. But me, as somebody who I watch a long time, somebody like me as a comrade, here are two main things women are like. You're no longer in your 18, 19, 20s, Lissa Hanna. You're no longer in modeling. You have a child. Zine, you have a child. You have an adult child. So, at this age and at this time, what you do, it not suit you, yeah? It not suit you. I know so me want look under you. I know so me want see your front on social media. I know so me want to see you're still hot. You know if you're almost naked to see you're still hot, dog. You understand? I know so more want to talk about Lissa Hanna. Me no want at this stage in your life, your age, your career, your decorated career you have. Me no want view you like a whore. Me no want view you like an Instagram prostitute. Me no want, no. And that's what it's giving. It's like you're dead for attention. So, oh yeah, post the picture them and I go on Lissa Hanna. No disrespect, but you move like you're dead for attention. It look like you lack of love or you lack of companionship or something.
So like always, leave and take in the comments. Let me know when you think about any of the topic that want me touch on. Big up on yourself like always. And remember, leave a subscribe if you're new. Yeah man, big up on yourself like always.